Hello guys, let's welcome back to our channel. In my previous video, you people have learned about arithmetic operators in Python, right? Okay, let me ask one question for you people. First, I will to write the code, then I will harass for you people. Okay, I will going to declare a variable called x and set it to the expression is like this: 10 plus 3 times 2. Okay, what do you think the result of this piece of code? Anybody can guess? I think lot of people's that this is the basic mathematics questions, guys. Number of peoples will unfortunately fail to answer this question, guys, because those peoples are don't know what's the priority, which have higher order, which have the lower order, doesn't know. Those peoples are unable to predict this answer. Okay, in mathematics, we have the concept called operator precedence. In mathematics, we have the concept called operator precedence, and that will determine the order of in which these operators are applied. Okay, let me print this expression like this: print print, add parenthesis, we can here variable. Okay, just I run this program, guys. Okay, 16 is the answer, guys. Okay, first it will evaluate the this one. 3 2s are 6. 6 plus 10 is 16. Okay, so this is how we can learn about operator precedence, guys. First, have the multiplication and division have the higher priority, guys. Then addition and multiplication will evaluated in this piece of code, guys. Okay. I will take one more example for your better understanding, guys. Just I will, okay, instead of here I will modification here. Just I had the parenthesis here, guys. You will observe what the result was this expression. Now you can predict the what the answer of this questions. First it will evaluate now inside the parenthesis. 10 plus 3 is 10. 10 into 2, 10 into 2 na, 10 plus 3 is 13. 13 into 2 26, right? Okay, let me run this program. You can know what was the result of this piece of code. Okay, see here is a result of this piece of code, guys. Okay, this is very easy, but some people are forget about the order and priority of the operators, guys. Okay, I will erase it and I will clear the console also. Clear. Okay, let me take one more example for your better understanding, guys. I will going to declare a variable called result and set it to expression is like this: 10 double star. Better I can use like this: minus 3 then double star 2 and plus 8 and division by 4 and star 2. So this is the enough. If anybody knows this piece of code answer, please use my comment box and comment in the comment section, guys, because I will need who can watch my videos and what's the thing will going to know about from this video. I will know. Okay, just I will print you print result. Okay, anybody knows? I think no one can answer this one these questions. Okay, I know you people are know about these questions very well. Just I will test it, guys. Okay, I will run this code. Okay, here is the our output 5.0 is the our output, guys. Okay, let me stop here only. See you in the next video. Bye bye. Take care.